if you change, the world will change. With a heart that's kind and free, in your hands you hold the key to a world of love and unity. Let's make a change, let's rearrange our thoughts and views, it's not too strange. With open hearts we'll rearrange the world around us, let's exchange. Embrace the differences we see in every friend and family, with empathy and care to show. Together watch our friendships grow. It starts with you, it starts with me. A world of peace is what we see. With every smile and helping hand, we'll spread love across the land. So remember, my friend, the power you hold to create a world. Together we're bold. With love and kindness we'll arrange a world that's better. Let's make that change.